welcome back to your channel. So this is everything we got, but let's see what can I choose.
So what's that?
This is her Christmas present for Christmas.
And what's that?
And it's called Capsule Chix.
Okay.
So we'll start
Are you
opening.
excited to open it?
Yeah.
Let's start opening.
Say Merry Christmas first.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
What's a plastic? Wait, give me. I know how to do it. Plastic.
You can ask Dad, you know.
Wait, I know it. And this is how you open the box.
Let her do it,
Turn
Marky.
this. Turn it around. Open this here. Turn this.
Oh wow, what's that?
And this
It's
one.
not folding out.
So this is the one that we look for. Look at this. With everything we got this glow. So
There's tape here.
this is the glow she likes. She wears everything.
Be careful, guys.
Remember, when you're using scissors, also you should get adult safety supervision.
Oh my gosh!
So,
Oh my gosh!
no, let's do it like
Bring it all out.
put it in the
So what's
machine.
inside of the Capsule Chix? How many, what's this, like a surprise egg, yeah? Can you
Yes.
count it, Ainsley, please?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There are 5 of them.
And what's this?
So this got been ripped out of the box from this. So
Okay.
you can put all the capsules in here
How
and
can
then
I
you
open
can
this?
do the machinery.
Okay, open that one. Let's see what's inside.
Let's see what's inside.
Maybe you need help?
I'll get the scissors. Should I cut it open for you? Oh, she already did.
Oh, I need.
Still, you need, still.
So
You
we
need- you
cracked
still
the
need
egg
to-
open.
Hello. Oh, wow.
Get the blind bag.
It might be a dress, guys.
Yeah.
Should I open for you?
Use the scissor. Oh, this one is nice.
Oh my gosh.
Like,
Boo!
It's a boot. Wow.
Oh, look. Oh,
Okay,
look
what's
at this.
what is this?
Okay, for the next box. Ay,
This
next.
one. Only one each.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna remove the plastic and the top of these.
Yes, and just
It's
gonna
open.
do it.
It's open.
Oh wow.
I can open.
So what's inside?
Knife.
Oh, that's the body.
That's. Oh no! What is this?
That's just the legs.
No, this.
Oh, that's the dress thing.
It's part of the body. Okay, you can open. Next.
Open the next one.
Oh my gosh.
So we have the legs, some boots, and the art here. And this could possibly be a skirt
Yeah.
or a neck thing, a necklace. But it's too small for that. Right?
What's inside here? It will be a girl.
The capsule is more nicer than the toy, innit?
I think I need help.
Okay, I'll help you.
Oh my gosh.
So what do you got?
Let's see. Let's open this.
And get my
Open. I'm gonna open this one.
Oh, it's already open.
But I'm gonna open this one, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
We got some hair accessories, I think.
What do you got?
Yeah, these are hair
That
accessories.
unicorn.
Yeah.
Hair accessories.
I want to get it.
I'll fix the hair.
Marky, help mo sa admin.
I'll do this one.
Here is the face. A very scary looking face. Oopsies.
It's okay. And
What's
what's that?
I got that. Huh?
What's that, Ainsley?
It might be.
What's that? Oh, that's the body. And now, you're gonna figure out how to
build it.
build it. Sige nga.
What did I do?
So,
Put the boot
can you
on
show
you.
it to us?
You need to put the boots on first.
Where's the other hair?
She looks nicer with that.
My God.
See us. Oh my gosh. I can scare.
So that's what's inside the Capsule Chix. This one, this capsule is more nicer than the toy.
You can add a key here. So this is like a key, so you can either lock it
Okay, let me see.
or open it.
So what can you say about the toy, Ainsley?
A wine cup.
Look at her shoes, guys.
What can you say about it?
It looks.
Looks what?
She can actually just put her hair like. No, you have to put the bag. Yeah.
So what can you say about it then? You like it or no?
The eagle.
You like it or no?
I like it. Look, she can put her bag here.
Yeah. Let me see the face of the thing. Oh my.
Look at the bag, guys. This is probably be her bag.
Yeah, so that's what's inside the Capsule Chix,
Let
guys.
me help you.
Can you say bye-bye, Ainsley?
Bye bye.
Ainsley.
Watch for my next video ko naman.
Watch for our next